friends, today we are unboxing new launch of a mobile phone, that's of Maplane Map 4 series, and the model is Max, as you can see in front of me. The 5G phone. Let's have a look on the review on the basic details. This is made by Maplane India, as you can see it on the box, and the month and the year of manufacturing is June 2001. Number, their WhatsApp number, their customer care number, contact details. And now we'll just have a look on the specification. This phone is BIS certified, as you can see, and the display of the phone, this is a 6.53 inches IPS display, and this have a camera of 13 megapixel front and the 13 megapixel rear camera. This is 4GB 64GB phone, and expandable memory up to 128 GB, and it support an operating system of Android 8.1 Oreo. This have a big battery of 5000 mAh with a network support of 5G, 4G and the VoLTE networks, and it have a CPU of MTK 6737 Snapdragon quad core, and this have a dual SIM. This is supports the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and there are a lot of other features. Discuss this when we switch on the phone. And now we'll look in contents. In the box we find a charger. This is a 2 ampere charger of Maplane. This comes with a back cover. This comes with a screen guard. Normally the company installed the screen guard on the phone, so when you open the phone you will find the screen guard already installed. And this comes with a micro USB wire, pin for the SIM slots, and this is a new thing that you can see. It comes with a thank you, or you can say a feedback form. This is the first time we have seen this type of thing. Now we'll just have a look on the colors of the phone. This comes in two color. It looks like a rainbow colors, as you can see, of the blue, and the black is also like a steel gray color you can see in the lights, and it have a different shade. Focusing on the light with a fingerprint sensor. Camera look on the back side. This have a dual speaker on the back side with a micro charging point. On the front side it have a 3.5 mm jack for the audio. Now we'll just have a performance of the phone and first have a look on this phone. This comes with 6.53 full HD display. In the hand it is quite handy, though with a such big screen it is really handy, as you can see it here. And secondly, it is not so heavy. I will be expecting for 5000 mAh battery it will be much heavier, but I am having the weight of the phone is below 200 grams, as you can see in front of me. This comes with a one touch display, you can see it here. And secondly, this is a Panda glass, as you can see. It is quite clear. Now we will have a gaming experience of this phone. For the gaming experience was really nice. It was working really good, and it supports us. Really, we play the game, it doesn't hang because of the processor or because of the RAM. It was really going good. We have also tested this phone for the online conferencing, e-classes for the students. For the gaming, it is a real awesome to use this phone in these types of things. These are the daily uses after 2020. Check with the SIM tray. This have 3 slots, as you can see. 2 for the nano SIM cards, 1 for the TF card for the expansion of the memory up to 128 GB. And in this phone the body is made up of polycarbonate, as you can see on the back side. It was a really shiny body. In this phone we check lot of some good features, like it have the display is enabled with mirror vision. It also have the split screen function, and it also supports other types of applications we use normally in our offices. It also have support with the turbo downloads. Overall we can say the performance of the phone, camera, other features for the use in our daily life is really good. So as per the warranty policy we have checked, this comes with a different warranty policy for the accessories as well as on the phone and the software and the breakage. Once you buy the phone, please go with the warranty terms carefully, and this comes with the no question asked return policy. In case you want to return the phone in a limited time span, no question will be asked to you and the phone will be returned by the company. I hope you like this unboxing video. Thanks for watching this video.